Hello everyone, welcome to Festive Tech Calendar 2024. My name is Seena Khan and I am a Microsoft certified trainer and a seasoned technical trainer with 14 years of experience in the industry. Over the years, I have had the privilege of working with diverse teams and individuals, helping them enhance their technical skills and achieve their professional goals. Uh, whether it's through hands-on workshops, interactive training sessions, or personalized coaching, I strive to create a learning environment which is both informative and inspiring. I look forward to sharing my knowledge and experience with you, and I'm excited to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Today, I am going to talk about Microsoft Copilot Studio and the Power Platform. So before that, I wanted to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Festive Tech Calendar 2024 organizers for giving me the opportunity to speak about Copilot Studio and the Power Platform. It was an honor to be part of such an esteemed event and to share insights on these transformative technologies. Okay, so I'll start with the theoretical session. So today, my agenda is I will talk about, I will provide you a theoretical session on Microsoft Copilot Studio and Power Platform. After that, we'll demonstrate how to create a healthcare agent resource by using healthcare agent service in Azure portal and how can we customize it in Microsoft Copilot Studio and use it in demo website and a Power Platform. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the theoretical session of Microsoft Copilot Studio and Power Platform session. Um, so all of you knows about Microsoft Copilot Studio. So how Microsoft Copilot Studio and the Power Platform are transforming businesses, automate processes, and enhance productivity through AI and low-code solutions. So let's talk about Microsoft Copilot Studio first. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a powerful tool which allows developers to create custom copilots with advanced capabilities. So these copilots can act as agents, orchestrating tasks and functions to automate business processes. With Copilot Studio, developers can define tasks, equip the Copilot with the necessary knowledge and actions, and let the studio handle dynamic workflows behind the scenes. So you are going to configure the Copilot agents in Copilot Studio by adding actions, by adding knowledge, by configuring topics, or by adding more topics. Okay, this is based on customized answers from Copilot agents. Okay, based on the users' customized questions. So some of the key features of Copilot include agent capabilities like a Copilot can proactively and independently respond to data and events, automating tasks without constant human intervention. Then custom extensions, developers can customize Copilots with extensions and connectors with integrating them with various external services and applications. Seamless integration. Copilot Studio ensures that the created workflows are seamlessly integrated into existing business processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Okay, then we are going for Power Platform. Power Platform is a suite of tools designed to empower users to create a custom apps, automate workflows, and analyze data with a minimal coding. It includes Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, etc. Now, integrating Copilot with the Power Platform. Integration of Copilot with the Power Platform brings generative AI capabilities to these tools. It makes easier for users to create intelligent applications and automate complex workflows. So like Copilot in Power Apps, Copilot in Power Automate, Copilot in Power BI. So these tools, these advancements enable organizations to achieve greater efficiency and innovation. So as seen with companies like Cineplex, which saved over 30,000 hours annually by leveraging the Power Platform and generative AI. So Copilot significantly enhances Power Apps by leveraging AI to simplify and accelerate app development, making it more accessible and efficient for users. So some key ways Copilot enhances Power Apps are natural language processing, accelerated development. Natural language processing, that means like, Copilot allows users to build apps using natural language. So users can describe what they want in their applications to do, and Copilot will generate the app for you. So, for example, like you can say, create an app to track employee leave request, and Copilot will set up the necessary data model and interface. Then accelerated development, contextual assistance, enhanced usability, data integration like a Copilot makes it easier to integrate data from various sources. So it can suggest relevant data connections and help you set up data flows, ensuring that your app has the necessary data to function properly. Then improved insights. Okay, with Copilot, users can get insights about the app's data through natural language queries. So, for instance, you can ask Copilot to find the highest revenue account or the owner of a specific opportunity, and it will provide the exact relevant information. So these features collectively make our apps more powerful and user-friendly, enabling users to create sophisticated applications with minimal effort. So if you have any specific questions or need further details, feel free to ask. Okay, so let's get started with the practical session. Okay, let's get started with the practical session of this event. I have logged into my Azure portal, and I'm going to create a healthcare agent resource. So for that, just to select healthcare agent service. So if it's not available here, you can just search in the home search box over here. Now I'm going to create a healthcare agent service. So click on create. Okay, my subscription is selected, and here just to create a new resource group for holding this agent service resource. Okay, so here health agent resource. I've created a new resource, and the name of my agent service is AI agent. Yeah, or healthcare, we can say it as okay, AI agent healthcare, and yeah, I have selected ASTS or ASTS2. Okay, you can select them. The plan, we should have to have agent C1. Okay, so this will provide generative AI for healthcare and healthcare safeguard as well. So we should have to provide the plan agent C1 for this. Then click on review plus create. So after completing successfully the validation, you can go for creating the agent service. Okay, so validation successfully completed. You can just click on create for creating the agent service resource. Uh, Please wait for some time. It will take some time to get it provisioned. So this healthcare agent service is a cloud platform which cloud platform service which enables developers and healthcare organizations to create and deploy compliant generative AI healthcare copilots. So these cutting edge tools assist to expedite procedures, improve patient experiences, and lower operating expenses. Using generative AI, healthcare organizations can develop intelligent systems which act as copilots for healthcare professionals, allowing them to successfully manage administrative tasks and improve service delivery. Okay, so this is in progress still. Please wait for some time to get it deployed. So, some of the use cases of this healthcare agent service resources are appointment scheduling, clinical trial matching, patient tracking, symptom checking, etc. And some of the benefits we can say like enhanced patient and the clinician experiences, operational efficiency, cost reduction, then compliance and safety, etc. So the healthcare agent service in Microsoft Copilot Studio is a powerful for healthcare organizations looking to leverage AI to improve their operations and patient care. Okay, so now our service is deployed. Just to go to resources. Okay, now it is. You can see here in the overview section. Here we are not going to do anything in the settings or bot management or anything. So just to go for here to access this management portal of this resource. Okay, you can just click over here, or else you just copy this link and take another tab and paste it and get it accessed. Now our next task is we are going to download and configure the Copilot Studio integration. Okay, so for that, this management portal has to be opened. From here only we can download it and import it in manage Copilot Studio. So I'm just taking the Copilot Studio also for that. Okay, if it is asking for sign in again, so you just click on your credentials. Okay, which one you have used for accessing the Azure portal. Okay. So now Copilot settings were applied successfully. We enabled the healthcare orchestrator with credible fallback. Okay, so here you can see a message appeared over the manage section. So now here also we are not going to do anything now. Just to click on this board administration from here. Okay, so by clicking on board administration, what we are going to do is we are going to download the Copilot Studio connector. You just to go down. Yeah, here you can see download Copilot Studio connector option is available. Just to click on this. So it will start downloading Copilot Studio connector, and yeah, it's completed. Now moving to your Copilot Studio environment. Here we are going to import the solution. This is our next task. Please wait for load it. Just checking my environment. Okay, selecting my environment where I need to import this connector agent and configuring. Okay, now click on the agents. So you can see there are some options. Plus new agent is for creating new agents, and import agent is for if you have already you are having an agent, you can import it. So we are going to import by clicking on import agent. So just click on import agent, and where you have downloaded the agent which you have created by using healthcare agent service, you just import it from there. Please wait for some time to get it loaded. Okay, so now it is loaded, and here I'm going to import the solution. Click on browse, and from where you have down you have stored it, you should have to select and then click on next. From here the advanced, yeah, here just to check enable plugin settings included, then click on next, and here you don't need to change anything over here as it is the skills ms app id and endpoint url. So just to click on import. Okay, so it will take some time to get it imported. Please wait for some time. Okay, our solution is imported successfully. Now our next task is allow Copilot Studio to contact the healthcare agent service. So when the import is finished, we can see this new Copilot in our Copilot Studio environment. Okay, so this is called the AI agent healthcare agent service. Okay, so we need to configure a last security element as well. So for that, we should have to go for click on this Copilot. Okay, and here it will open the solution, and from here again we should have to click to open the Copilot agent to customize it. Just here, just to select agents, and from here you can select AI healthcare agent service. Just wait for it is provisioned. Yeah, just opening. You can see here there is test your agent and hello, I am AI agent healthcare a virtual assistant. Just okay. So there are some statements provided the agent itself. Okay, and we should have to configure before giving anything over here. Yeah. So here your agent is ready. We can add actions, we can add triggers, we can publish the agent as well. So add actions, that means if we want to do more things with this agent, okay, so we can provide actions. Then add triggers, like okay, so if you want to add more like customized uh, responses to the users, customized questions. So for that we can provide more triggers, more topics. Okay, so just to check what are the things available now in this agent. So here there is no knowledge we have added. Okay, this agent is not having any knowledge, and then actions. Okay, healthcare actions it will. Okay, so this is completely coming from the Azure portal itself, and the triggers there is no triggers, and topics. How many topics are there? Okay. Okay, so these are the various topics, and here it is in generative AI determined is enabled by default. Okay, and coming into the knowledge, we are going to add some knowledge to the Copilot. So before that, there are some security element we should have to do. That is, okay, just to go for the settings of this Copilot, click on settings, and here in the advanced section and the metadata section, here you can see that agent app ID is there. You just copy this app ID and paste it in a notepad. We need to use this. Now we are going back to the healthcare agent service management portal, and here what we are going to do is expand the integration and select skills. You can see here expose skill, and here go down skill consumers accept a request from any skill consumer. Just click on enabled, and Okay, so expose skill, then consume skill, coming over here. Here we are going to add new skill. Okay, consume skill. So manifest URL, here provide this and click on. Okay, in the expose skill, here we are going to add, we are not going to change anything on the skill consumers. We just add a new item over here. In the skill consumer board app ID, we are going to add the one which application ID we have copied from there. Okay, and then click on save. It is saved now. So we have enabled the connection between the Copilot and the management portal of the agent service resource. Now we are going to utilize the healthcare agent service in Copilot Studio. So for that, before we are going to add some knowledge there. Go back to the Copilot Studio and close the settings. And here I'm going to add some links there. Better health of better health websites link. Okay, just copy this and the add knowledge. Okay, so here you can see three different options available to give the knowledge to the Copilot Studio agent. So what does this knowledge will provide the agent more relevant informations and insights. Okay, so I'm giving you this is a public website link I'm going to add, not any SharePoint or Dataverse. This is for your organization's private data. Okay, you want to give the knowledge on that, so you can provide the SharePoint and Dataverse for that. Then separate files. Okay, so from a particular files the agent has to get the information or insights, so you can upload the files as well by clicking to browse this. So now here I'm going to add a public website link. Just click on public website and provide this here. Okay, and click on add, and here also just click on add. So I have added the link. So you have successfully added the knowledge base to the Copilot. Now coming into the topics. So topics are not going to change anything. So if you want to add some more specific text on the conversation start, you can add that. Okay, so by editing this. So otherwise I'm not going to do anything over here. Now just go for the actions. So you can see this healthcare action, which is by default available here because we have configured it from the Azure portal by using healthcare agent service. Okay, so this plugin is designed to assist with all healthcare related inquiries. So it covers a wide range of topics, including but not limited to medical guidelines, healthcare frequently asked patients questions, treatments, etc. Okay, and the skills action, you can see status is on and allow your Copilot to use this action is enabled as well. Okay, now coming into the channels. So if we want to, now this is by default, we can select the Teams authentication because Teams channel only available. If we want to change some settings in the authentication setting, then only we can publish it in the demo website. Just to go to authentication settings and in the under security, so this is authentication, and here just to select, you can see by default authenticate with Microsoft is selected. So this is enabled to the Microsoft Teams, Power Apps or M365 Copilot. So now this no authentication publicly available in any channel. So I'm going to do this no authentication and click on save. Save it again. Okay, once it completed, just go back to your, okay, to the channels. Okay, in which channel we are going to publish this particular healthcare agent. Click on demo website and here try out the agent made. Here is the welcome to, so we can provide like, okay, welcome to healthcare agent service. Okay, so the rest of the things I'm not going to change anything, so just to click on save. That's it. And now you can just copy this URL, okay, and close it. Here also the demo website you can see, or else you can just provide a next tab and paste that URL which you have copied. Okay, so now my Copilot is ready. So before that you can just test over here as well. Okay, and so now I'm going to test. After that I'm publishing this. After testing it, I'm publishing it by clicking on the publish button. So it will get published and then you can test it for by clicking on the demo website link. Just wait for some time. Yeah, your agent published, okay, and successfully, and the users will see the new content. Now, because we why it is showing published, okay, one risk it is showing is because we have provided no authentication. Okay, so here I'm just taking another tab and provide that link of the demo website. Okay, and you can see welcome to healthcare agent service, and here, hello, I am a healthcare agent. So here I'm just providing some question me information on sinus. Yeah, it is okay. Commonly known as sinus infection is an inflammation. it has been given. Okay. So this is the way we can incorporate, or we can import a healthcare agent from Azure portal and customize it in our Copilot Studio and publish it in a demo website. Now, how can we publish it in a Power Apps portal? Okay, so we have successfully completed the configuration of Copilot Studio and published it in a demo website as well. So how we can do it in Power App Studio is just to go for the Power App Studio portal and open any app, and then there is a settings option. You can see there, you can select this same application, same Copilot agent there, and publish it. Okay, after publishing it, you can run it, and there you can see the related information which you have asked about the health. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for listening. And if you have any comments or any feedback, please give in the comment box.